Hey everyone, you might be wondering if ChatGPT Atlas, the new web browser from OpenAI, is available on Android. Well, unfortunately, not yet. As of now, there's no official way to install or use ChatGPT Atlas on any Android device. If you visit the official website, you'll notice it clearly says, currently only available on macOS. That means you can download and use it on a MacBook or Mac desktop, but there's no Android version for now. There isn't any APK file or Play Store version either, so you can't sideload or install it manually. The only way to experience it is by using a Mac. Now, the good news is that OpenAI has confirmed they're working on bringing ChatGPT Atlas to other platforms soon, and that includes Android. So in the future, you'll be able to download it just like any other browser, from the Google Play Store or their official site. For now, it's just a waiting game, but the Android version is definitely on the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.